Hi everybody. So today I'm going to teach you how to backflush and properly maintain your DE filter on your pool. So let's get into it. I'll show you how to do the process, and then I'm going to open this up, show you the filters, and show you how all that works. But then and then we'll reassemble it. I know that the filters have holes in them, and I'm going to repair those holes. I'm Jay. This is Jay's How-To channel.
Okay, first we're going to turn the pump off. Then we're going to turn the selector valve to backflush mode. And now turn the pump back on. Backflush until the water turns clear. Then turn the pump off. Then turn the selector lever back to filter mode. Now open the air vent. Then remove the drain stopper. Now I'm removing the compression band. Removing the lid to expose the filters. And now wiggling the filters loose. Okay, now we're rinsing off the filters. And undoing this long steel rod. Okay, and then one more time, rinsing off the filters. Let's let these dry out in the sun. If you want to get new filters, you can get these from Amazon. I've got a link in the description below the video. Now I'm inspecting the filters. I previously re-glued this with some PVC cement. Okay, I found the hole. Yeah, look at it there. Now, let's patch this with some more PVC cement. Let this dry for half an hour. Okay, let's place the short element here. Then place all 7 of the long elements in the 7 remaining holes. Let's insert the threaded steel rod. Then tip it over and screw the nut on. Make sure you don't tighten this too tight. And now let's clean off all the surfaces where the O-ring is going to attach. This is plumber's silicone grease. You can get this on Amazon. I've got a link in the description below. And now greasing up the O-ring. And applying additional silicone grease to the lid. And this little O-ring. Okay, make sure you lift here and drop this in the filter compartment. Reinstall the lid. And now reattach the band. Okay, so make sure you don't over tighten this. You don't want to compress the spring all the way. Just compress it just a little bit so they almost touch. Okay, and now reinstall the drain plug. And then turn on the pump and let it fill up. Look at it go. It's completely full. Okay, and now we have to add some DE powder.
Okay, 1 pound.
1 pound equals 6 cups. My filter is 48 square feet, or 4.4 square meters. So it takes 5 pounds of DE powder, or 2.5 kilograms of DE powder. Okay, let's check this thing for leaks. Hey, thanks for watching, you guys, all the way to the end. Really appreciate you.